Alright guys, got quite a special unboxing for you today. Today we're going to be taking a look at this MOMO steering wheel. And this is from MOMO's Heritage line. And this steering wheel is the Indy Heritage Wood 350. And this steering wheel was purchased from the guys down at Torqued. Gonna leave a link to this steering wheel and Torqued down in the description below. And huge shout out to Jeremy at Torqued. Excellent service, guys. I ordered this one. He was able to confirm inventory and get it shipped in a matter of minutes, guys. Not hours, not days, in a matter of minutes. He confirmed inventory and shipped it out. So big shout out to Jeremy. And another note on Torqued. Guys, when you're purchasing things like steering wheels or, any type of equipment that can impact safety, don't buy counterfeit items, guys. Buy authentic things, buy the real things. And, go on Momo's website and you can actually see a map of authorized resellers. Find an authorized reseller near you, buy a legit steering wheel. Don't buy that replica crap. Come on, guys. Alright, so this one is actually going to go in the Suzuki Carry DA63T. I'm going to attach it to the steering boss kit I ordered. If you want to see an unboxing of that, just check it out here. Otherwise, let's get to the unboxing. So, fairly large package here. Hopefully I'll be able to fit it in. All right. So we'll put the literature aside for now and take a look at the goods. I think I heard something else. Okay, let's take a look. So, MOMO horn button and the connections. And then we also have the ring as needed. So, okay, great. And then for what everyone's been waiting for. All right, there we go. Once again, this is the Indy 350 from their Heritage line. 350 being the diameter of the steering wheel. And I decided to get the one with the brushed aluminum. It's got a really solid weight to it, guys. You can tell right away by the look and the feel that we are dealing with something awesome. MOMO, made in Italy. And of course, you can see the details. Really nice details, guys. Get you the wood grain. All right, take a look at that. Wow, real nice weight, real solid. Yep, genuine parts, guys, that's what I'm talking about. So we've got the steering wheel here, got the horn button, and then we have the instructions. Of course, that'll change depending on, your car and the hub kit. But that's that. Anyways, pretty simple. So, once again, check out and head over to Torqued, for your aftermarket car part needs. Big shout out to Jeremy once again. I'm going to install this on the Suzuki Carry DA63T. If you want to see an installation video of that, just let me know and then I can record that for you. Otherwise, thanks again very much for joining me. Peace out.